Enter a world where the sky's the limit.
Honey,
Yes, love.
I really like the way how God created you. Because everything on you is so perfect. And another thing, thank you so much for making me smile all the time.
Thank you too.
You're welcome. And that's why I will never hide you my feelings anymore.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Rose, really, your name even deserves you.
How? You mean other people's names don't deserve them?
Not that, but you're more beautiful than the rose itself. You know what, honey? I'm changing your name. To Rosario.
Wow.
Yep.
You know what? I'm also changing your name.
To?
Dario.
Wow. That's so nice. Rosario.
Dario.
Thank you so much. By the way, it's time.
Oh,
Rosario. Munange, you have to go.
yeah. You're right. Dario,
Yes, honey.
thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
I love you. And will always.
Thank you so much, honey. I love you more. You know that, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, honey, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you too.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice time.
Rose, what took you so long like that in the market?
I'm so sorry, Mommy. I got caught up with something.
Something? Let me hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Of course not.
Give me that stuff.
Hi, Mommy.
Look here, my son. It's your future we are talking about here. You can always come back and meet your family and friends, you know? But you wouldn't miss this chance. You know why?
No, Dad.
You see, my son, it's because I got you a scholarship.
Seriously?
Yes. I'll only be paying for scholastic materials and maybe a ticket to the city. And the rest are on them. So tell me, would you still miss the chance?
No.
Yes. Now, it has always been your dream to study in one of the best universities in the country, but I wouldn't give it to you. So here comes the chance. Use it. You'll never regret in your life.
Guys, you still work this late?
Yeah, to chagira call ne Douglas. Yafi abasajja. Man to man talk.
Okay.
Mami, mukaddaji obedde missing.
Douglas, don't start. Man, come on, don't say.
Okay. All right.
Excuse me, ma'am. Dad, I have a plan of bringing here my girlfriend, and I introduce her to you before I go to the city.
Wow, that is nice. But I think tomorrow will be a better time to talk about it.
Tomorrow? It's all right, ma'am.
Good night, son.
Good night, ma'am.
Night, son.
Good night, Dad.
Sharon, I've really tried everything, but Douglas seems not to even have a drop of feeling for me. Sometimes I sit and wonder what I don't really have. Just look at me. I wear nice makeup all the time. I put on nice short dresses. But still, he's not moved. Maybe his heart is somewhere else. What do you mean?
It's written all over his face that he loves your sister, not you.
Wait, is this how you're helping me out? Sharon, don't tell me that you are also falling for him, so you're trying to discourage me so that... Sweetheart, let me tell you something. I don't easily let go of something, especially when I badly need it.
What are you trying to say? Zuena, we are two different people. I can't do such things. Besides, Douglas loves your sister just because she's different from you.
Shut up! How dare you compare me with my damn sister? God.
Honey, and another thing. I will always remember this place.
Wow.
Yeah, honey, just know I got a full scholarship.
What? Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Wow, are you really serious?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm really so happy for you.
Thank you. Imagine, from one of the biggest universities in the capital city.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. I'm really so happy for you.
Yeah.
Dario. I'm going to miss you so much, Dario.
Honey.
And you're going to leave me alone. And you're going to meet different people.
Honey, I promise you, I'll come back.
How are you going to convince me that?
What if you don't?
Look at me. Honey, look at me. I'll never choose anyone else over you.
Okay. Have to go. Bye.
Bye.
Hello. It's Zuena. No, I didn't call to make any trouble. It's an emergency. Yeah, it's about Rose. Okay.
Zuena, what's wrong with Rose?
You got here before me? Mama, she seems to be important to you.
You were the one who called me. And you told me that she's in danger. And we have to meet up here. And you take me where she is.
Dad, please, don't overreact. Rose is super fine. I just wanted to see you.
See me?
Honey, I need your time too. Why don't you give me a chance too?
Zuena, I love your sister. Hope you know that, right? Okay, let me give you advice. Why don't you get another man? There are so many men out there, and you're beautiful. You can get one, and I'm sure he will love you more than I would. Okay?
Are you even listening to yourself?
I don't care. And remember this, never and ever call my phone again.
Douglas, please, please.
Nonsense.
Doug!
Mommy. And Zuena. This is Douglas, my boyfriend.
Wow, glad to meet you. You're so much welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mom.
Rose. What should I bring for our guest?
Don't mind. I'll go and do it myself.
Okay.
Better that way. You know him better than we do. You know his taste.
Mommy, now. Okay, let me come back. Let me get back. Zoe, if you don't mind, please come and help me out with some things.
Anytime and anything for my sister.
Well and good. My children are the only family I have. Let me hope you're not just using my daughter. Please, always take good care of her and love her.
Of course, Mom. I love her so much. And I will always take good care. And that's why, after my studies, I will come and take her officially.
Oh, thank you. I pray blessings.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. By the way, honey, are you the one who prepared that meal?
Yes. But with the help of my sister and mother.
Wow. It was so delicious. It was so good. Just know, I can't wait to have you as my wife. Waking up every morning, seeing that beauty, eating that delicious food with our kids, then life will be so amazing. Wait, Mom, where is Mary?
There she is.
All right. Rose, now meet my family. He is Mr. Ultaya, my father. She is Mrs. Ultaya, my mother, and Mary. Yes. It's a simple and a lovely family.
Nice meeting you all.
Mom,
Yes, please.
Dad,
Yes.
and Mary. She is Rose, my fiancée.
Oh! I'm so glad that I have seen you. Oh my God. You look good and you seem to have good morals.
Thank you, madam.
No. You can call me mom.
Cool.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mary, you can go and bring some cheese. We need to celebrate this young, beautiful lady.
Rose, how did you find that family?
They are nice, lovely, and beautiful people, in addition to being rich.
Finally, God has answered our prayers. You know, my joy is just to see you and your sister when you are happy. And I know it will take him only 3 years. He will come back for you.
Naimami, there are many beautiful girls from rich families in the city, and I feel like I'm going to lose him.
Come on. Are you the only beautiful girl in this village? Or the richest?
No, Mommy.
Good then. He chose you because he loves you, not because of the look or where you come from. Don't worry. What I know, something which is meant for you, it will always come back to you. Who is that?
It's Douglas.
Talk to him.
Hello? I'll be there in a few minutes.
Pascal, sir, come. Douglas is going right now.
Okay.
Sorry, son, that we are not able to push you to the bus station. You see, me and your mother have a very important meeting to attend to. But Mary will, okay?
It's all right, Dad. Let Aunt Mary stay. I will use a cab.
I'm going to miss you a lot. And what hurts me most, I'm not coming with at the bus station. But promise me one thing, that you're going to take care of yourself.
Of course, Mom, I will do. Yeah, and I will be calling you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's go inside.
No. I'm on hurry.
But, sir, please, I would like to explain why I've delayed covering that loan. I'm going to pay.
You don't need to explain. Pay now. I'm tired of coming here demanding my money all the time.
Please, you're my son. Just give me only 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. I'm going to cover that loan. I'm going to pay. Please.
You either pay my money or I sell off the land and I get my money.
Please, Kadu, you're my son. Be lenient and considerate to me. I've known you right since childhood.
Yes, you know me. Even me, I know you. But there is a very big difference between Kado as a person and the business. My business doesn't know you. I need my money. Okay. I have given you only 3 more days. I need my money.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Is this where Rose stays?
Yes, and I'm her sister.
Oh, that is good.
Mommy.
Morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. You must be Rose's mother.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, Dad. I didn't expect you here. You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Mommy, Zoena, meet Mr. Lutaya, Douglas's father.
Oh, you're so much welcome, sir.
Thank you, please.
Actually, you came in the right time. Please, get him something to drink.
No. I'm okay, please. It's only that I brought you some things in the car. You see, I promised my son to take good care of you. You better go, please.
Wow, I see. Thank you.
Thank you so much. By the way, do you talk to Douglas?
Oh, yes, Douglas is fine. You mean you don't talk?
No, my phone got spoiled.
Oh, sorry. I'll get you a better phone and you talk. But anyway, you don't have to thank me for this.
No, there is no need to. I'll get it myself.
And when will it be? Besides, you don't work. Don't tell me you want to cheat on my son for a phone.
No, I can't do that. I love Douglas so much.
So, what's wrong with you taking anything from father-in-law?
Nothing.
Then accept my offer such that we can maybe communicate to you, and you can as well give me your mom's number such that you can communicate.
But my mom doesn't have a phone.
Oh.
Or maybe you take my sister's number.
Okay, just a minute. Excuse me, I need to receive this call, okay? Yes. Hello? Okay. Morning too. Okay. I hope everything is fine. I understand you picked the best phone. Oh yes, okay, thank you. I'll be on my way. All right, bye. Honey, I've received this call and I have to go. I've got an emergency at the office. There are any things I should solve.
Okay.
Yeah.
But first finish your breakfast at least.
I don't know. I will be late, okay? But coming back, we shall have the dinner together. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, take care.
Take care too. Have a good day, honey.
Good day too.
Thank you so much, son.
Have you liked the place?
Yes, it is beautiful and cool.
I'm glad you liked the place.
But sir, you called me and you said you had something to discuss.
Yes, but I want you to eat first.
No.
No, don't mind. You can take anything, please. Order anything. What do you want?
A soda, please.
Soda, only that.
Yes.
Okay. Waiter, please. A soda, any soda and water, please. Okay.
But sir, you didn't have to bring me here.
Yes, you're right, but you see, I had a meeting here, so I thought maybe after the meeting we can have a talk from here. Just that.
What is it? Is Douglas fine?
Yeah, Douglas is very fine. You see, Rose, I remember you telling me I talked to you, so I thought. Okay. Take this. So, you see, Rose, I remember you telling me that you no longer talk to Douglas. And I thought maybe I could do something about it.
What do you mean?
I brought you this. Please.
You bought me that? But it seems to be expensive.
Never mind. It is nothing to me. You see, you deserve it. Such a beautiful girl. Not having a phone? No way. Now you can talk to your boyfriend anytime you wish. Okay?
Thank you so much.
I don't mention it. So, anything you want?
No, please.
Sure.
No, thank you. Hi, baby. Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Well, take it. Just transport.
So, I don't need this much. I only use 3,000 shillings transport back home.
No, you don't worry yourself. It is from Douglas. He asked me to give it to you. Don't worry. Take it.
Okay. Once again, thank you. I'll take my leave now.
Rose,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm starting not to understand Mr. Retire.
Why and how, mother?
Why would he buy you a phone? Just look at it. This phone is quite expensive.
Mother, maybe he loves his son so much, and he knows that we love each other too. So, when he got to know that we've taken long without talking, he decided to get me a phone.
And do you know that Douglas also asked him to give me some money too?
Are you sure about this?
Of course, mother.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Honey, can you please have a talk?
Do you see that I'm tired? I need to have some rest.
But what is happening to us?
Ask yourself what is happening.
Honey, look.
Please, woman. Do you want me to leave you in this room and find somewhere else I can have a peaceful sleep? Huh?
I'm sorry. I'll let you sleep. Good night.
Okay.
Mother, where does it hurt most? Here. Does it hurt too much?
Not very much. Who is that?
Someone is calling you.
Who is that?
Kadu, the money lender.
Yes, please.
The extension you asked for has expired. So if you don't show up today to pay, the land title you tendered in as security will be sold off.
You people, we are finished. Totally finished.
Mother, what is the matter?
He's coming to take the land.
Mother, ask for some more time.
I don't know where to take you, my children. You see, I've already asked for 3 extensions. And they are over. I failed to get the money to pay for that land title, which I tendered in as security. And he said he's coming just right now to take the land and the house.
If he takes the land and the house, Mother, where shall we go?
I don't know yet.
Mom, let me look for a solution.
Daughter, you'll not manage to look for a solution. The amount involved is quite big.
Let me try.
Anyway, good luck.
What do you have to say about my request?
I think I can pay the loan and save your family.
Really? Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Alta. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're really generous. Oh my God, thank you so much.
Though I'm not happy with your offer. Yes, look here. You see, Zuena, in money lending terms, the security always has to be of a higher value than the loan.
I know. That's why mortgaging myself.
But your value is low. Your value is below the loan. Yes, I can only help you if you can convince your sister, Rose, and accept me.
Wait. Isn't Rose your daughter-in-law?
She's not yet married to my son.
Oh, okay. Okay. If he insists then we make a swap. I convince Rose to accept you, and in return, you convince your son to take me instead.
So, if Rose accepts, deal.
Deal. Miss Orte, please, I was thinking, you please call Mr. Kadu and ask him not to throw us out of the house.
Before Rose accepts?
Okay, the thing is, please ask for some more time as I try to drag Rose into this.
All right. Okay. Not going through. Good. Yes, hello? Mr. Kandu, this is Mr. Rutaya. How are you, sir? Good. Now, I am trying to set out the issues with the Mrs. Merida. The issue of the loan, please. Yes, Mrs. Merida, the mother of Rose and her sister. Could you please give me 1 week and pay the loan instead? No, don't mind. Don't worry yourself. Just 1 week, please. It is okay, okay? Just 1 week, I'll pay the loan.
It's because of you exactly 1 week.
All right then. Thank you so much. It is okay. 1 week, definitely. Okay, bye-bye. Good day. So, Mr. Kadra has accepted. But on condition that you and I, we go together and convince your family.
No, it is okay. I'm fine with that.
So can you go down?
No, I was thinking you come tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
I don't know. A man of his age, he can't respect himself. And he has the audacity to come to my compound, ask for my daughter's hand in marriage, knowing that they are in love with the son. What kind of a nonsense family is that?
And I even requested him to live in a humble way. And he refused.
I told you, he's a shameless man. I don't want ever to see him in my compound.
Mother, calm down. Maybe Miss Altaya came to rescue us from the bondage of Kadu's law. Okay, do that.
So, are you also here to shout at me?
No, I have a deal. Won't you let me in? Miss Altaya, I saw and also heard how you were treated at home. I know how it feels when you love someone that doesn't love you.
So why are you here? Get straight to the point. Why are you here?
Okay. I was thinking if my sister is not ready to get married to you, maybe you can adjust your requirements and take me instead.
No. Can you imagine even your mother did not welcome me home?
That was your fault. Why did you start by asking Rosie's hand in marriage instead of you talking about clearing the loan as we had agreed?
I'm sorry. You see, when I saw your sister, I forgot almost everything and went straight to the point of marrying her. I'm sorry.
So, how are we going to handle that?
That is easy. Just go and inform your family about my willingness to pay the loan for you. If Rose accepts that.
I'll try.
Okay, I will remain hopeful.
Hello. Good afternoon, madam. I'm fine. As I told you, I've failed to get the money to pay the loan. No. The interest areas have over-accumulated to the extent that I cannot pay. And he said he's coming to take the house and the what and the land. So I was requesting you for an offer. Favor us and accommodate me with my daughters until we find a permanent place to stay. What?
What?
Oh no. It's a dead end. No hope. She said her house is overpopulated already. But you, Zwena, look at yourself. We are in trouble and you're just loitering up and down.
I was just looking for a solution to our problem.
Which solution can you have for such a big problem?
Ma'am, I have good news for you. Mr. Otaya said that he is ready to pay our loan only and only if Rose is ready to get married to him.
What?
What? He is married. And he knows very well that his son is a boyfriend to my daughter.
Fiancé. Fiancé.
What is making you?
Have my issues, so better leave me, okay?
What is happening to you? I mean, we used to share our issues together. But now look at yourself. You drank over something which I don't.
So you want to solve my problems?
Yes.
I am sick and tired of an old woman who can't do anything in bed. You just waste my manhood. I mean, I need more children. Will you solve that? Answer me, can you? Will you solve that?
Matilda! Read that and do the needful immediately.
I won't waste time reading it because I already know the content. Just give me some few minutes. I'll vacate the house.
It's not only the house, but the whole plot.
Yes. Hello, Mr. Otaya. Please come and save us. The moneylender is throwing us out of the house and you have nowhere to go. Please. Okay.
Madam, make our job easy. Because nothing is going to change. Just move out.
You're housed by the government at the station, but I'm not. I find myself and my children. Where can I go immediately?
Finding your place to go is not my responsibility. Okay?
Then why don't you confine yourself to what brought you here?
Afande, please do the needful.
Officer.
Afande.
Come and give Mr. Kadra a hand.
Mr. Kadu, please. Mr. Kadu, please.
Leave me alone.
Mr. Kadu, please. Please, Mr. Kadu.
What do you want?
Give my mom some more time. We can sell part of the land and clear the loan, please.
You can't sell any part of the land because your mother mortgaged it to me all. It's now my land.
What's going on here?
No, it's just a loan defaulter being evicted.
Please, can you hold on the process and we talk?
Wait. Talking time is over. You called me about helping this lady, but you didn't fulfill.
But Mr. Kadri, you know I'm a busy man. You were supposed to call and remind me.
What do you mean?
No, Mr. Kadri, just a minute, please. No, just give me 3 minutes, please. Officer, hold on, please.
Goodness, God is almighty indeed. Oh my goodness. You came in that time we needed you most to bail us out. Thank you so much.
It's when I give us some time.
What is happening?
Eviction.
What? Ha, that is a serious matter. But you know what? I can pay that loan immediately if your daughter accepts marrying me.
Wait, you're married. I don't want my young daughter to interfere and cause conflicts with your wife.
Oh, you don't worry yourself. I am a very good house manager.
Oh. Secondly, I don't want to decide for her. She's mature. I don't want to erode of her rights.
Now, the ball is in your court. You either talk to her and accepts, save you from this mess, and I pay off the loan.
Mr. Altai, is it done?
No, I will need some more minutes, please. Just a few minutes.
But it is taking long.
Yes, I understand, but you know, matters of finance, Mr. Kadu, are not meant to be handled like that. Please.
I need money.
Yes, I understand. Just give me some minutes, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Rose, it now depends on you. You either save our land or let the money lender take it. And our mother will live on the streets for the rest of her life.
Zuena, it concerns us all, not her alone.
I know. I can't imagine Mother wandering on the streets or the wilderness without a place for a boy.
Then do something about it.
I take this decision to save our life. It's okay. I'll marry him.
It is okay, thank you.
Let him be the man.
Mom, Miss Altaya called and said that she wanted Grace to move in this week.
Huh? No way. I'm going nowhere. To hell with him, so.
But that was the agreement before he paid the loan.
I'm smart enough. I just wanted to rescue our land.
Oh, so what happens next?
He can go and hang himself.
You mean say we are going to lose the land again? This time not to Kadu but to Mr. Rutaya.
No, he can't do that. I'll challenge him myself and he'll get ashamed and back.
Don't forget so soon.
Forget what, mother?
Now that the card has been cleared, how do I get my money back?
Mr. Rutaya, don't change the goalposts. You said you are going to pay the loan in exchange for Rosie's hand in marriage.
Exactly. But we are not yet married. And the loan is already cleared, so what do? I either go with Rose now or I keep this land title until Rose comes to me. Yes.
Okay. You can retain the land title as we prepare her for marriage.
good. That is good. But now, you see, keeping this land title without an agreement, it will look as if I'm just keeping it for you for safe custody. So I think you have to make an undertaking. For me to have a good security of the title.
It's fine.
You don't have to. No. But I can't call. Nah. Nah.
What is the date today?
4th Feb 2022.
Hey. Mother, mommy, why? Oh my God. I'm finished. Hey. This can't be reversed. Huh? Oh.
Why that smile? I've taken long without saying it.
You've taken long without seeing it because you never wanted to see me smiling. Now disappear quickly before my happiness does.
What do you mean?
You can't look in the mirror, you know my problem. Juliet, you are my problem, and your presence kills my happiness. So please, disappear before it does.
Good morning, madam.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good.
Where are you coming from?
From the market. I'm from buying peanuts and matoke.
Okay. Welcome back.
Thank you. By the way, you didn't tell me about the visitors.
The visitors?
Yes.
Which visitors?
You and that are coming today.
Who told you about them?
Miss Sandra told me to prepare matoke and guinness that we have visitors.
When did he tell you that?
A few minutes as was leaving.
Okay, but I know nothing about them. Maybe they don't concern me. Just do as he told you.
Okay, madam.
What is she? Where is my wife?
She must be coming. Please. Please be patient.
No, I've been patient enough. What is she? I'm tired.
You see? Mommy, bye. Mommy. Mommy.
Rose? You're most welcome. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Why are you crying? I'm sorry. Has Mom just here from home? Okay. Please, stop crying. Have a seat. Let me get you a glass of water.
No. Just pick her bag and take it to her room.
But what happened?
I said the bag to her room, please.
Okay. Rose, let me go and prepare your room, but stop crying. You know you're always welcome here. Hello.
Hello, madam.
You're welcome.
Rose, can you stop crying? Can't you see? This is so beautiful. Rose, we are going to be rich. Rose, can you stop crying?
Hon, what happened to Rose? Why did you bring her here and why was she crying?
What kind of question is that? I mean, do I have to ask any permission from your majesty just in case I have any visitor in my own house?
I'm sorry. You misunderstood me. I'm just concerned about her.
Better be concerned about yourself, because this is the last time you are sleeping in here.
Huh? Why?
Why? Because you can't be both barren and deaf. Excuse me, I need to have some sleep.
Seven. I'm not barren. I have a son. My womb is just weak and small to give you other children. I'm not barren.
Vera kwecho. Era kuliyimba luyimba. Why isn't Rose here yet?
I think she's in her room.
Oh.
Maybe.
Juliet, go and bring Rose on the table. Should come and take tea.
Wait a minute. What did you just call me?
Isn't that your name?
Sir, I can go and call her.
No, please. I told Juliet to go and call her. Go and call Rose to come and take me. How is it, doctor?
It's fine. Your pressure has normalized. All you have to do is to keep away from stress and get proper meals.
Okay, thank you, doctor. I will.
But we have to check again.
Thank you so much, doctor.
That's my duty. Treating is my pressure. In case of anything, you have to call me.
I will, doctor. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Mary, Juliet! Juliet, Mary! Mary!
Yes, sir.
Where is this woman? Why haven't you come with her?
You mean your wife? She went to check on Rose.
But she didn't have to go there. Rose is not sick.
No one wants her sick, but if I may ask, why is she in my bedroom?
Good question. You see, you shouldn't get worried. You'll get answer to that. Just take your time, okay? You get answers to all your questions. Don't worry. I need something. Okay?
Where am I?
Relax now, okay? We're in our room.
What? Do you mean your wife's room?
No, I meant our room. Because it's no longer hers. It's our room.
I accepted to come here, but I'm not going to disrespect your wife.
Of course you're not disrespecting her. You're going to take what belongs to you. Because you're now my wife.
Are you even listening to yourself?
Okay, Rose. Since now you're awake, just organize yourself, okay? Prepare yourself and come for supper, okay? Okay? I'll be waiting at the dining table. Please, it's okay. Just freshen up. And Mary, you can start now serving.
Good evening, Mommy Juliet.
Oh.
Good evening, Aunt Mary.
Good evening.
Good evening, Baruka. How are you feeling now, my dear? Because we were all worried. You couldn't stop crying.
I'm feeling better now. I'm really sorry for worrying you people.
Okay, stop that drama. Stop serving. Actually, since you are all here, we shall eat as I pass on this to you. Beginning with your question, Juliet. You asked why Rose is here.
Yes.
Yes. She's here because she's going to be my wife. Actually, she's already my wife.
This can't be true.
You had me right. Now give me back my ring. I said, give me the ring.
Oh, God.
Listen very carefully. From now on, never to come back to my bedroom. You'll be sleeping in the guest room for a while. That is if you behave well.
I already told you, I'm not sleeping in your wife's bedroom. And why are you destroying your marriage and your family?
Come on, I'm not destroying it. I'm just introducing something new. Actually, it is you who's destroying it by refusing to be my wife. How do you expect my family to be complete when you can't be my wife? Don't forget, I have some new rules in the house. Okay? Number 1, no more phone calls in and out. No more calling, no more receiving calls. Number 2, no visitors in the house. I don't entertain any more visitors here. Number 3, don't dare to do anything without consulting me. Number 4, these movements, reckless movements, moving in and out all the time. If you want to move out of here, you have to get the permission from me. Period. Have you understood? From now on, be addressing Rose as Madam, because she's now your boss. Okay? Yes. Now you can. Mrs. Azimba Twe. You can have your dinner, please. It's okay, you eat.
No, please. Sit.
Mommy Juliet.
Yes, please.
I'm really sorry. I only accepted to come here because of my mother's case.
It's fine. You don't even need to apologize, because when I look into your eyes, I see innocence. Whatever it is, I don't know, but you must be having a good reason why you're here.
He has tried several times to ask me to be his wife, and I refused. Because I love Douglas so much. And besides, he's much older than me. Mother, please help me. I don't want to lose Douglas. Please.
I know how much you two love each other. I mean you and my son. Miss Loz, I also want to help you, but I can't help you without knowing the whole truth. You said you're here because of your family?
Yes.
How and why?
Who is helping who? But anyway, Rose, I'm only here to tell you that I hate things of making me wait. So you have 2 minutes to get in the bed.
But I want to sleep here.
Come on. Don't make your life hard, my darling. Maybe in all the things that we've been talking about, she forgot to tell you that I also don't like repeating myself. And don't forget why you are here and what I have. Think about it. Okay? 2 minutes.
But God, why? Why can't I just die instead of going through all this?
No. Oh my dear, don't say that. Whatever it is, it will come to an end. Just can't sleep.
In your bedroom?
Yes. It's no longer mine. It's yours now. And listen, I know what he is capable of doing, more so when his son is not at home. So please, can't sleep. Don't worry about me. I'll be fine here.
Julie.
Yes, you go.
Hey, love. Hey. Why that? Am I a ghost?
You have no difference with it.
Can we talk, please?
Talk.
Look here, Rose. I have something to say. I must apologize for all that I made you go through. Please forgive me.
You don't have to apologize to me. Instead, go and apologize to your wife.
But what can I do for you to understand that I really meant it when I said that you're my wife now? I mean, why don't you love me back the way you do to Douglas? Please.
You know what? I have better things to do than stand here and talk nonsense.
Please. Just a minute. You know, I love you. I love you so much. I do. And I believe that with time, you will learn to love me.
Keep dreaming. I will do whatever you want just to save my family. But I will never, ever love you.
I always sit here and look, hoping that one day Rose will come and pay us a visit.
What if she got moved by that man's money and she totally forgot about us?
She can't do that. Remember, she went there not because she loved that man, but was to save our house.
Fine. Since she is still that good, and you still have hopes of her coming back here, then keep looking. Good enough it's you that gave her out.
Zuena.
Auntie Mary, wait.
What?
Auntie Mary.
Yes. What is it?
Auntie Mary.
Mm-hmm.
It's you who has the chance to get close to that gate.
Yes.
I need your help.
How?
I need you to talk to that scary for me.
About what?
You know, I want to run away from here.
Hey.
I just can't take it anymore. Please. How will Douglas feel when he finds out about all this? Please.
No. You can't do that yourself. What if something bad happens about you? Rose, if you can't do it for your sake, now do it for your family. Rose, don't give up.
Auntie.
Let's fight together.
Were you talking about me?
No, sir. We were.
Mary,
Sir.
inside. Rose, I want us to talk.
Talk? What do you want to tell me this time round that is new? Don't you get it? I'm tired of us having silly talks all the time.
They're not silly talks. Please, the fact is, I really want to make you happy, but I don't know how.
You want to make me happy. Don't make me laugh. Wait a second. Do you even have anyone around you that you want to see happy? Huh?
Yes, you, and that's why I'm here. I really want to see you happy.
If you want to see me happy, then just kill me. Because I'm tired of looking at your ugly face.
Oh. Am I really ugly?
That's one of my best songs. I really love it. Kale, I really love it.
Sure. That's not my kind. Me, I love country music. When I listen to it, I feel like heaven is on earth. Hey.
But do I really have people in this house? Huh? Atekwe Juliet. You've done so much to indoctrinate Rose. I want to promise you one thing. You won't manage. One more Rose. I remember promising you to make you happy. So I have your surprises with me here.
What made you think that food and whatever you're holding in your hands will move me? You're wrong. And besides, don't bother, cause I'm already happy. And I've decided to give myself peace. Excuse. Good night, mommy.
Good night, dear.
Honey, can we?
Can we what?
Of course you know. Look here. Now that you two love me, can we start living as married couples?
I'm not ready for that. Maybe some other day.
What do you think? What do you think you're doing? Look here, Rose. I've been patient enough with you. It is almost 3 months. Ever since you came in here, we've never made love. I'm a human being. I also have blood in my veins flowing like any other man.
And who has said that you don't have blood? You have such a short memory that you even forget where your wife is.
My goodness. Rose, are you okay?
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry.
See what he has done to you.
He's going to pay for all that he has done to me. For all that he has done, I have the reason to hate him and fight back. This rap has given me more strength and courage to fight back. Yes, I swear he's going to pay.
Babe? Hey, babe. Can we talk? Rose, I'm sorry.
About what? You're such a shameless man that after all that happened last night, you now tell me that you're sorry?
Rose, please. I didn't mean to hurt you. You see, Really, I didn't know what I was doing. I was drunk. Please.
Don't dare touch me. It amuses me to hear that you're drunk and out of your senses. But you remember everything, even without anyone telling you about it first. I didn't know that you'd stoop too low like that.
Come on, Rose, please forgive me. Look here, please. Just a moment. Okay. Rose, look here. Okay. I want to give you something so that you can accept my apology, please. Please. Come on. Please. Hope you like it. I know it will look good on you. Please. Don't break this moment with such a silence. Okay? Let's make it romantic. Please. Okay. Come on, have a seat. Sit here, please. It's okay. Yeah, let me get you something cold to drink.
No need.
No, it's fine. You need to drink something, okay? Please. Okay, just a minute. Let me come. I'm really sorry. You see, this idiot took almost everything that was in the fridge. Can you imagine?
It's alright.
You know what? You need to rest. You must be tired. You have to rest, okay? Just can have some rest.
You seem to be bothered. What is it this time?
There's something about this girl. Have you noticed anything yet?
Of course, yes. At first I thought we had the same track, but it seems we are not. She has started bringing out her true colors.
You know what? Let's keep our mouths shut and we'll see where it will end.
Okay then.
Hey. What are you talking about? Okay, don't think of any sinister plan about my dear wife. Hey, don't just look. Listen, you people. If you're not comfortable with her stay here, you better pack up your things and leave.
It's nothing, dear.
Not with these faces I'm seeing. No.
Oh, okay, sir, but...
But what? Now, back to you, Juliet. Why aren't you saying anything? Are you dumb?
I choose to keep mum if it makes you happy.
Okay. All right then. I'm hungry. I think I should have something to eat. I need food. Okay? I need food right now and get some rest. Serena, can't you be a little bit patient? Just like this. Like this.
I've been patient enough. If you don't give me that money, I am going to call your son and tell him the way his lovely dad got married to his lovely girlfriend. Because I can't look at you when you're happy while this side I'm suffering.
What do you think? Look here, Serena. Douglas is your boyfriend now. Don't worry yourself. When he comes back, I'm going to convince him to marry you. I promised.
I'm tired of your empty promises. Because you're really doing a lot of nothing about this, Mr. Retire. And you know I can't lose both money and Douglas. Just give me that money to keep my mouth shut.
But I thought we finished this already. Look here. I'm not going to give you any coin. Never. Good enough, I have Rose and the land title. Do whatever you want. I don't care.
Oh. So you're breaking the agreement. Fine. Just wait, Douglas is coming back so soon. We shall see what will happen.
Whatever.
Fine. Play your games. But I will give you one shot that you'll live to remember for the rest of your life.
I'm waiting.
Oh my goodness. I'm very sure the papers were inside here. So now if they are not here, where are they?
Hey, baby. Yes, what are you looking for?
It's not that important.
Sure?
Yeah. I was just looking for my forms.
No, which forms?
Honey, never mind. I was just looking for my medical forms.
Medical form. Yes, hello? Oh, okay then. I'm just on my way. Okay, let me come immediately. Please, I'm on my way. I'll be right there. Okay then. You see, I'm really sorry. Something has just come up.
Oh.
And I have to be somewhere immediately.
Oh.
I'm sorry that I wasn't able to help you up.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye, okay?
So gentle.
Coming back soon, okay?
Okay. Thank God. That was so close.
Yes, hello. Yes, how are you, my son?
Yes, Dad, I'm good. I'm okay. Yeah, but Dad, why is it that Mommy's phone is off?
Oh, sorry. Maybe you call whenever, when they are all off, but it could be a bad chance. Whenever you call, they are all off. It happens, my son. It happens.
And by the way, I tried to call Rose. Nganayoteriko, what's happening?
All right, then. I'll get back to you shortly. You called in when I'm very busy here in the office. Yeah, I'm just in the office, very busy.
Come on, Dad. It's a weekend. You're supposed to be home.
I'll get back to you shortly. Okay. Bye.
Dad? Dad?
Come in.
Rose.
Douglas, it's you.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine.
Honey, do you know how much I've already missed you? Where's Mom?
She's...
Hello.
Oh. Douglas.
Yes, Mom.
How are you?
I'm good, Mom. How are you? How is everyone?
We are all fine, but how comes you're here this soon without even informing us?
Come on, Mom. This is our home. Even if I don't call, I think it's okay.
I know.
Yeah, Douglas, please have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Wait. Why is it that no one is happy to see me?
We are happy.
Was Zuena right?
Right about what?
Whatever Zuena told you about your father isn't the truth.
Rose, how did you know that it was about my father before I even mentioned it? Good. Mom, what is your ring?
Oh.
Why is it that Rose is one with your ring? Mom, this is your ring.
Yes, but you're going to understand each and everything.
Please calm down. I'll explain everything. Please.
No, Rose. I'm going to explain each and everything to Douglas. But first, calm down.
Mom, you are telling me to calm down after finding out that my father has another wife? And this wife, she was my girlfriend. Woman I loved. And I love you so much.
I know. But calm down. Dario, please. Calm down.
Don't touch me! Mom.
Douglas, please, calm down.
It hurts.
I know.
It really hurts.
Douglas! Douglas!
But Dad, of all women in this world, why Rose? My son, don't blame me. You see, I was only trying to help your girlfriend. She came crying to me that the moneylender wanted to confiscate her mother's land due to failure to pay the loan.
Then how comes that you married her?
Good question. You see, that girlfriend of yours is very funny plus her family. After helping them, they said that they wanted to give me something in return. So, they gave me a gift, and that was Rose.
Dad, you knew it very well that she was my girlfriend. Why did you accept?
I first refused the offer. But Rose insisted that you two broke long time ago. So, I accepted her hand in marriage. So from now on, she is your stepmother.
No!
Oh, okay. That is good. So if you can't accept her as your stepmother, then go and pick up all your belongings and leave my house in peace.
Let me explain everything. I never wanted to break your family. And I don't want to lose you. Please.
Rose, Zuena told me that you married my father because of his money.
But why?
What?
Yes. And that it's you who seduced him. But why? You see, Zuena tried to seduce me for a very, very long time before you even went to the university. But she failed. You know why? Because I had to keep our promise. But why did you fail?
You know it's not true. Dario, please. You know me better than anyone else. I can't do that. Please.
Rose, it's all right. You see, Mom told me the whole truth. Yeah, but I just want to hear it from your mouth. Come on. But you know what, darling? We are going to leave this place.
What?
Yes, we have to go.
Not with my wife. If you Douglas want to go, I told you you can't go. But not with my wife.
Not with your what? You still have the guts of saying that. After all the things you have done to my mother and Rose. Besides, what are you talking about?
Your mother? You mean Juliet? Look here, young man. Who told Juliet not to have the ability of getting me more children? Huh? I mean, if he would give me more children, why would I go out there and look for women?
What are you saying? You mean I'm not enough for you?
Good question. You're still young. Look here. After finding out that your mother could not give me more children, I decided to go out and look for other ways. And at the same time, I fell in love with you.
Douglas! Please, don't.
Okay, you want to hit me? Okay, hit me. No, let him hit you. Hit. Come back.
I don't know whether you're telling me the truth, or you were just giving excuses to disrespect my mom and Rose. Even if it's true, real men don't handle things the way you did. And by the way, I would be glad if you are not my real dad. Look at you.
Why did you have to talk to him like that?
Hey, don't tell me how to talk to my son, okay? You don't lecture me about it.
So now he's your son, eh?
Shame upon you.
Excuse.
My son, stop crying. Whatever it is doesn't change that you're his son. And you know I love you so much.
Mom, why did Dad have to do this to me? Seriously, my real dad. Why?
I really don't know.
No.
But just leave him. I'm sure God will provide you with a better partner.
But Mom, I love Rose so much.
I know you love her, but... Hello. Promise me one thing. That you're going to love your girlfriend, Rose. And that will never and ever hurt her. Because she suffered a lot because of you.
Okay, Mom. I promise you, I'll love her. And another thing, Mom. I'm really sorry for whatever you passed through because of this stupid man.
Mm-hmm.
You know what, Mom? I think I have to be alone for a while.
Sure. Will you be fine?
I'll try.
Okay, I'll come for dinner, okay?
All right.
Darren, are you sure about this?
Yes. Rosario, I will do anything to be with you.
But it's dangerous, love. Please, just go. I can't leave this place anymore.
Why? Huh?
Dario, please. Just go.
I can't go without you.
Please. I can no longer leave this place.
What? Please, tell me.
It's because
Tell me.
It's because I'm carrying your father's baby.
Rosario, are you serious? Please, never and ever call that man my father again. Because I can't be evil and selfish as him. You know what? That baby you are carrying is now mine.
Dario.
Yes. Because I wouldn't like to lose you for the second time. Believe me, I still love you. Even when I know that you're carrying my brother or sister, it won't change what I feel for you. Please, we have to leave this place. Yes.
I love you too. But...
Shh! No buts. Just knowing that you still love me is enough. Let's go.
So, where are we going? And when?
Here are my plans. We are going to cross the lake and go the other side, where no one will separate us. We shall stay there for a month, then after we go to the city, and we start our new life.
So, when?
Tomorrow. After this evil man leaves. Okay?
Are you sure?
Yes. Just be strong. Honey,
I love you.
Rose! Rose! Come. Where is your bag?
For what?
You have to be with it to get a kati.
Kati?
Hey! Now, let me go and first distract the askari, okay?
Okay.
All right. Askari! Come. Banan, you are there relaxing. I'm hearing things falling at the back there.
Mr. Douglas, I'm not hearing anything.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why don't you go and first check?
Okay.
Not wait. No. Benza no kuba babbi. Yangu wa.
Mr. Douglas! Mr. Douglas! Come back! Mr. Douglas!
Are you stupid? What is your job here?
I'm sorry, sir.
Didn't I give you the rules that nobody is supposed to move out of this house without my consent? Foul again, it's stupid.
But this is all your fault. If you are not selfish, all this wouldn't have happened. Mark my words very well. If anything happens to them, I'm going with you to hell.
Did I chase anyone? Did I? No. Definitely, they will come back.
Oh?
Yes. These are mature people who can take good care of themselves. Besides, I've already reported the case to police and is looking for them. These are mature people. And let me tell you one thing. Rose has my baby, so I can't just let them go like that. I can't. Yes.
Is that all you had to say? You're really shameless. I really don't know what I got married for all these years. How can you fall for son's girlfriend?
So are you blaming me? Huh? Juliet, you think I was wrong to fall in love with Rose?
Enough! Enough of your insult. I'm really sick and tired. Enough is enough. Very soon I'm going to pack all my things and I leave here alone so that you think and rot in the state of loneliness. Because you deserve it.
you.